Case Study 2. Full speed ahead or proceed with caution. This case study is about social media and networking. In this case study, we will look at some firms that have been introduced social media technology. We will see if and how it has worked for the firms and their employees. Question 1. Identify the management, organization, and technology factors responsible for impeding adoption of internal corporate social networks. Management factors that are responsible for impeding adoption of internal corporate social networks are the following. Most companies don't provide an incentive to use social networks. Employees need a motivation to use social networks. They want to use what they are comfortable and familiar with, like email. Inadequate leadership has the cause of 80% of social networking efforts, not achieving its intended benefits. Organization factors that are responsible for impeding adoption of internal corporate social networks are the following. Users not knowing how or why to use social business tools. Organizations found that some employees were resistant to using social networks. In some cases, employees have cost the company time and money by duplicating the communication using both email and social media tools. Technology factors. Social business tools need to be appropriate for the tasks they are doing. Content on the networks need to be current, easy to access, and relevant. Users need to be able to connect to people for information that they otherwise wouldn't be able to reach. Question 2. Compare the experiences implemented internal social networks of the two organizations described in this case. Why are they successful? What role did management play in this process? The Bayer Material Sciences. Bayer chose IBM Connections for its social business tools. The company has benefited from faster knowledge flows, increased efficiency, and lower operating costs. Bayer was successful because they made the tools more accessible. They demonstrated the value of these tools in pilot projects. They employed a reverse mentoring program for senior executives and trained experts to share the know-how of the social tools and demonstrate how they were useful. Management established a set of goals for growing the social business, as well as putting 7 key performance indicators in place to measure the success. Carlos Bake Shop implemented Salesforce CRM. At the beginning, employees resisted the system because they didn't feel they needed it because they had email, Facebook, and Twitter. Salesforce CRM has made Carlos Bake Shop successful because they can view the data and which products are hot and which are not. They can view the store performance, seeing sales and transaction patterns. Errors are down more than 30%, and employees are able to produce cakes and other goods faster and more efficiently. The company was able to share the benefits of social networking. Should all companies implement internal enterprise social networks? Why or why not? Yes, all companies should implement internal enterprise social networks because it will save the company time and money. It is the easiest and fastest way to communicate updates and information inside and outside the company. It is the fastest way to communicate with suppliers or contacts outside of the company as well. What does a successful social business strategy require? And what was the cause of social business efforts not reaching the intended benefits in 2015? The answer to number 1, a successful social business strategy requires leadership and behavioral changes. Managers need to demonstrate their commitment to more open and clear work styles, while employees need incentive to use social software. The case of social business efforts not reaching the intended benefits in 2015 was due to poor leadership and an overemphasis on technology. In conclusion, in this case study we saw how social networks help businesses. Carlos Bake Shop produced cakes and other baked goods more efficiently and faster. Bayer Material Sciences benefited from faster knowledge flow, increased efficiency, and lowered the operating cost.